everyone, welcome back. Before we get started with what you need to do for today, I have two announcements. One, our crew meeting, that is the whole group, is at 1 o'clock today. Make sure you come back around that time so you can click the link and join us for our crew meeting. My goal for today is to take you guys on a virtual field trip to an art museum. I am trying to get that set up, so hopefully we can do that at 1. Today, if we would have been at school, we would have taken a field trip with your art teacher. I don't know if you remember, we were going to take an art field trip. But since obviously everything happened, I do want to do a virtual one for you guys. So hopefully we can get that going for our crew meeting today. And then second announcement is we have a lunch bunch meeting with some of you ladies today. I have Isabel listed, Lexi, Peyton, Geraldine, Naomi, Amy, and Alejandra. Make sure you grab a sandwich, cereal, whatever you want to have for lunch today with us, and then join us around noon so that you can click on the link and join the meeting, and then we'll play a game together, okay? All right, so today we are going to continue multiplying bigger numbers. So we'll click on homeroom. You'll see your announcement for the day, which will have the date and then where you can find your work. Then you'll go to classwork, daily work, and then you'll find Thursday's work. Here I have my office hours that are from 2 to 3 p.m. I have the crew meeting that is at 1 today. The announcement from Ms. Nonis. One CERN lesson, so make sure you're going into CERN and getting one CERN lesson a day completed. Here is my timer that I have for you, and relaxing music. This is a typo, sorry, I'll get this removed. And then here is a checklist, so as you're doing this, make sure you check them off. Here is your learning target. I can solve 1 by 2 multiplication problems. So you have the 1 by the 2. Okay, so here, remember you're writing your answer in number form and not word form. For this, remember my trick, so you can multiply this number and this number. So you can do the 7 and a 3. So anything that's not a 0, you can multiply together and then you add the 0 at the end, okay? So here you would do 4 times 1. Okay, whatever the answer is, then you add the 0. And that is your answer. Don't forget your 0 at the end in your answer, okay? Otherwise, it'll be marked wrong. Here you have 2 challenge questions. Remember that if it's a challenge, you do not have to do it. So I'm actually going to remove this star, meaning it should not be required. It's only if you want to try it out, you can, and it's not required for you to answer it, okay? And then at the bottom here, make sure you're completing 1 CERN lesson a day. Once you're done, like always, click submit. So now that you've done your Google assignment, then you go on to CERN and do your CERN lesson. So now I'm going to do some shout outs. I have Eloy with 2 lessons, Isabel with 3, Austin with 3, Liam with 3, Amy with 4, Alejandra with 3, Colin with 2, Scarlett with 2, Cindy with 3, and Lexi with 2. So today is our 3rd day of the week. If you missed a lesson in the previous days, you should be in your lesson number 3. If you're not, just make sure you're catching up with those lessons, okay? So by the end of the week, you should have 4 lessons. All right, you guys, well, I'll see you all at 1, and if you have lunch bunch with me, I will see you at noon. Have a good day.